Tag on Titan Revolution codes. In this video, I will be showing you how to get them and how to use them. So first thing first, let's get right into the video. Inspired by the hit anime series Attack on Titan, The Revolution is a popular fighting game in the Roblox. You can take part in engaging, action-packed, experience and expensive environment they can spin for rare families, upgrade character stats, and traverse cities to slay massive forbidding titans. So the reward you receive for the redeeming active codes for depending on the specific code used, these codes usually offer a variety of useful bonuses to enhance your playthrough, such as free spins on the wheel in the lobby, bleach crates, and emperor keys. One of these codes even provides with you a luck potion, giving you a huge boost in the most popular Roblox game. So these are the codes. You can use these codes in the redeem section and you can get these rewards against them. So for example, for this code, you will get 125 spins. For this code, you will get 30 minutes of 2k gold potion, 30 minutes of 2k luck potion, and 30 minutes of 2k XP, and 50 spins. So all these codes have a specific number of rewards against them, so make sure that you use them properly. If we scroll down, you will see that these are the returning codes, which even gives you 100 spins of 25 spin, 1 blade burst crate. So make sure that you pause the video and read all of these codes and use them. So there's an important thing to know that is some codes might only work on private server, so users should join a new private server to ensure they work. You can redeem all available codes simultaneously, but note that each is only valid for one use only. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.